Okay. This is kind of an older song that I started writing a long time ago, and I've made some adjustments to it, but it's a retake on Elvis, and I love taking songs that are sung by men towards women and flipping the script a little bit. So mostly out of humor, sometimes out of a little bit of bitterness, not gonna lie. But anyway, it's all fun in love and war anyway, so hope you guys like it. Baby, since you've left me, I found a new place to dwell. But it's not at the end of Lonely Street, and I bid you rest farewell. It's true you had me sick, boy. Yes, you were my disease. But when he pulls my body close, I know he's my vaccine. And I'm not so lonely, baby. No, no, I'm not lonely anymore. Yeah, it's true, I found a new man, and I'm happy in my life. And when he kisses me softly, I thank God I'm not your wife. So don't worry about my heart, child. No, it is in good hands. I've messed around with many boys, but I finally got a man. And I'm not so lonely, baby. No, no, I'm not lonely anymore. But listen to these words, guy. Take them as words of advice. You lost a good woman once, so don't you do it twice. If you find a good one, let's assume you even can. I pray to God you change your ways and you finally become a man. Or you'll be so lonely, baby. Yeah, you'll be so lonely.